Hey, Drone Command Live. This is Jeremy Peacock from Benson, North Carolina. After my first day with Drone Command Live, looking back at it 3 years ago, if I had seen this course or taken this course, I really wouldn't have been discouraged in starting my business then. I had ambitions. Kept saying to myself, man, I'm going to do this, and never did. Diego and Drone Balls have sat there and ingrained in me. Timing is everything. Go ahead and get it done. Just do it, and it'll come. And through the marketing end of yesterday, I was like, oh man, I see so many mistakes that I've already made. And through the operational end, I see things that I can do better, that I know I can do better for my business. I just want to tell anybody that's on the fence about things, don't wait. Go ahead and do this. Do it now. If you want to better yourself and your family like I do, just take the opportunity. Spend the time, man. Invest in yourself. Thank you again, Diego. Thank you again, Drum Boss. Look forward to this next day in the class.